My name is Niall Gibbons, I'm the Chief Executive of Tourism Ireland. I want to say to you all, welcome to the Meet the Irish reception for 2018. I have to say it's been an amazing year from a tourism perspective on the island of Ireland, and it looks like in 2018 we're going to welcome 11.1 million visitors to the whole island of Ireland, so well done everybody. As we face into the future, we face it with confidence. We will be launching our marketing plans at the end of November. We've secured additional funding, which will mean we're deploying a new marketing campaign in 2019. We're going to be expanding our international presence. We're going to be expanding our reach on our website ireland.com across all our markets, and we look forward to collaborating with the industry to make 2019 an even more successful year from a tourism perspective. We are also delighted and proud in what sometimes feels like an uncertain environment here to keep on watching the newspapers or read the newspapers and watching the TV about what's happening around Brexit. But I just want to say from a tourism perspective on the island of Ireland, 2019 is about business as usual. I'm delighted to be welcomed here on the stand today my friend and colleague Andrew Rosendahl MP, who is actually chairman of the British Irish Parliamentary Assembly and who very kindly has visited our stand again for the third year in a row. And Andrew, you're really welcome. I'm delighted you're here. And it's a symbol of the friendship between Britain and Ireland, regardless of where talks go, so to speak. We're always going to work together. And when you look at this stand, it's an example of cooperation and action. We've got 70 companies from around the island of Ireland, the best in terms of accommodation, attractions, activities and events. And regardless of where talks may go, we'll be back here again next year doing the business for everybody across the island of Ireland, because it's very simple. If we all work together to make a bigger cake, we all get a bigger slice. And I think we're working for the benefit of everybody, north, south, east and west. And that's a clear message that we're delivering at home and abroad here in London as well. We're really excited about some major prospects next year as well. You can see the Open, the 148 will be in Royal Court Rush. We've got great new accommodation coming on stream in Dublin, in Belfast and around the country. And more than ever, we've got a great industry that are working in collaboration with us. So I just want to say to you, thank you very much indeed for everything you've done for making tourism such a success. We look forward to doing the same again and more in 2019. And we'll be back here next year. I think we really will be reaping the fruits of working together in collaboration for the benefit of all. I want to also say thank you very much to our Tourism Ireland team. I've had the good fortune to be seeing them in operation around the globe, and they do us a really proud job in terms of what it means to be from this island, a very small place, but standing hugely on the world stage. And I want to thank Julie and her team over here in Great Britain for the great job that they've done, but particularly in terms of World Travel Market, to thank David, Juno, Joe and Adele for all the work they've made on making this stand what it is for today and a few days ahead. So well done guys. Now our Minister Brendan Griffin is arriving into London tonight. He apologises that he can't be here, but he will be on the stand tomorrow morning at about 10:30 and looks forward to meeting you all. He will be at the event at the Irish Embassy tonight. But can I just conclude by saying thank you very much again for everything you've done. We look forward to a great year in 2019 and look forward to meeting as many of you in the next couple of days as possible. That's the end of the speeches. Thank you very much indeed, folks.